Dude. Yeah, here's the bus.
That's cool.
You know what's legit?
You don't always see that.
Back away from the curb.
They're back to the curb.
That's sweet.
Oh, it does say it is a bus.
It's one of those two.
Just so you guys know, there's like a 50mm gun in the back of these Tahoes. One of these Tahoes. It's on like a thing that comes up and out. That's like the armory right there, probably.
God, that'd be so cool to be a part of that.
He's in that one right there.
Yeah.
Probably is, actually. Decoy. Was that first one that?
Yeah, the lights are there.